Did you know cracking your knuckles is bad for you?
Oh, hell no!
For years, people have been saying that cracking your knuckles is bad for you. You've probably heard it from your parents, teachers, or that one super concerned friend. First, let's understand what's actually happening when you crack your knuckles. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid. This fluid lubricates the joints and reduces friction when you move your fingers. When you pull, bend, or stretch your fingers, you create a space in the joint. This space lowers the pressure inside, and that causes tiny bubbles of gas to form in the synovial fluid. The pop sound comes from those bubbles bursting, not your bones cracking or anything breaking apart.
Oh my